Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to make Oreo chocolate cookie sundae. Now we're going to mix it all, and all you need is ice cream, cookie, Oreo mashed up Oreo, and then some whipped cream and then some chocolate sprinkles. Now we're going to put the ice cream in it. Now we're gonna put the cookie. Now we're gonna put some ice cream. Cookie. Some cookie. Man. Now we're going to put some more ice cream. But now guys, I'm going to talk. So, and then, once they're done everything, so you need to have it like flow to the top. Now we're going to taste it. Thank you for watching, and so please hit the subscribe button and the like button. Bye! See you next video. Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to make chocolate Oreo sundae. Thanks for watching, and please subscribe and hit the notification bell.